What's up guys? Today I have a video for you. We're gonna do something real excited. I'm gonna install the fenders right now and mock up the ones in the back for the wide body, and maybe December the 10th I am getting the front bumper. But for now, since I got the whole December to work on this car because I'm still waiting on the engine, the guy's gonna call me. He's gonna let me know whenever the shipment has arrived so I can go pick up an engine and install it. And that's gonna be at the end of this month. Now, what I'm gonna do, in the meantime, I am gonna put the fenders right now. For sure, this one right here. And then mock up the other one and see how it is. But my goal was to show you guys what it looked like before and after. You know, like I said in the previous videos, I wanted to get this car running, get it outside, do a walk around, and tell you guys everything about the car. But since you see it, everything's stock on the outside, except for the JDM Pro Drive front end. But let's see how it looks, and let's see what type of spacers I'm gonna need for the meantime, because I am gonna change these wheels later on. Probably use a bigger spacers too. So let's get into the video now. Okay, so what we're gonna do first, take this fender off. I have to take off the light because the fender has a hole and the light goes hooked up to it. Hey, what happened to the music? Second. What the? Oh, come on. So the side skirt only has these little tabs under there all the way around. So I just took halfway, so we'll see if I can reach it. If not, I'm gonna have to just take the whole thing off. Alright guys, these fenders are almost in perfect shape except for this right here and this right here. But they will be for sale soon. Only local, I'm sorry, but only local in Houston. Come get them. Okay guys, so I noticed something, you know, of course stock is always the best fitment. See this right here? It's empty, doesn't have anything. The other one had that bracket for that light, and to secure it, let's check it out. Yes. Wow. It's a perfect fit, man. Damn. Somebody had asked me to fit the fenders with that Pro Drive front bumper, and guess what? It fits perfectly, man. It works with the regular stock bumpers. One thing I noticed, and I'll be honest, these are not exactly the Raleigh Pro Drive white fenders. The reason why I noticed the arch is like the stock one, and the ones I seen for the WRC, the arch goes a little bit higher. So like I was saying, I noticed that on the Pro Drive, the original ones that I seen, the arch goes higher. It goes higher. And this is like the stock fitment because you can see the bumper fits perfectly right here. So that's the only thing I was noticing. I don't know if I should make it bigger myself or just leave it. But the fitment is on point. There was one point that I thought about using this bumper and just put a wider fender in the back, but I said, no, better do the whole thing. I'm debating if I should just install them right now, screw them. I do gotta make the holes. You know what, let's do it. Let's put the holes, the screws and everything. Man, it fits perfect fitment. So we're gonna do the holes that are already marked. They're already here marked on the fender. All right, we got all the holes done. All the holes done. Let's see if I can screw it in place. So I noticed I gotta transfer this plastic right here into that over there so the bumper can catch in there. So let me put this over there. I already make the holes so it should work. Just pop it in there and we should be fine. Let's try that. This is the piece. This is the piece that I gotta put on that one over there. As you can see, I installed that piece. But I should have waited because I don't know what the front bumper is going to look like, what attachment it's going to have. But I mean, this helps it to keep it tight on this edge right here. But for now, I'm going to leave it on. And then when I get the front bumper, we'll see what happens. The fitment is just perfect, guys. Perfect. Look at this. I forgot how the heck this is gonna open. I saw one guy cut it. Cut the gas, this thing right here. Shit. Just leave it like that for now. But I think I know what I gotta cut. Man, I gotta cut a lot. I'm not gonna do the cutting today, it's getting late. It's getting late. I just want to get I want a picture review. How is this thing gonna look? Whoa, 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 what the? Whoa. You serious? Guys? What the? Man. It fell. Nothing happened to it, but what the fuck, man? Need tape. Hey, this is what we gotta cut. Not gonna do the cutting today. I noticed that I might have to cut this one too. I don't know, dude. Comes out like this here. Kind of weird. But this is popping out for some reason. Well, not some reason. This is popping out because I really did stretch it out quite a bit. So I might have to hit this part with a piece of wood or something and pop it in because it's out right now. It's almost working already. So that's what I got on this. Oh, woo! Woo! Oh, not again, guys. You see this gap right here? Hopefully when I cut this right here and it'll zoom in, not zoom in, it'll push in because you can see right here there's this gap is not lining up with this one. So that means that this one is still pushing out. I gotta cut it. I gotta cut it sometime this week. But this is what's gonna look like. This is for the back. I like it. All right. So let's show you the front. This is the front. Tomorrow I will probably install the one on the other side. Okay guys, that will be it for this video. This is this side. So you know the other side is the same thing. So I don't have to make another video just to show you the other side. But this is pretty much what's gonna look like. This is what I'm gonna be doing on the other side sometime tomorrow. But what I am gonna show you is cutting the back and adjusting everything. Make sure everything lines up. I like it where it's at right now. It's perfect. But it just needs to be adjusted. Same thing with the front, just a real minor adjustment by the light. But these are perfect. I like the ABWs are perfect fit. Those are 99, 80%, 89% good fitment, but I don't know yet until I cut it and see how much work I got to do for those. But that'll be it for this video. I couldn't wait to do it. I am gonna do the unboxing for the front bumper as soon as it gets here, and see how it looks. Right now it looks okay. I kind of like it, but I ordered the bumper that goes with the Raleigh style and all that. This bumper, I think, is gonna go on the blue bug eye. The whole front is gonna go on the blue bug eye because I want to have the JDM STI Pro Drive bug eye and the WRC 2002 because I'm greedy like that. It's costing me money, but I am so glad I started this channel for you guys because I was doing a lot of work before. It never occurred to my mind. I was too lazy just to be recording, editing, all that stuff. So please like, subscribe, and please help me grow this channel so I can do a lot more stuff. I got more coming up. So take care, bye, and I'll see you guys. Thank you.